Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to Pi News Media so you never miss the latest updates on Pi Network and the future of WEB3. Just Ion Pi has reclaimed a $2 billion market cap. This is a significant moment, not just for price action, but for what it represents in terms of momentum, confidence, and the overall direction of the network. Because this move isn't happening in isolation. It's being driven by two key forces: strong technical breakouts and recent network upgrades. Let's break that down. First, from a market perspective, reclaiming a $2 billion valuation signals renewed confidence after periods of consolidation or uncertainty. A move like this suggests that buyers are stepping back in, and sentiment is shifting in a more positive direction. Technical breakouts often act as confirmation points. They indicate that price has moved beyond key resistance levels, which can attract more attention from traders and the broader market. When momentum builds like this, it can create a feedback loop. More visibility leads to more participation, and more participation can push momentum even further. But price alone doesn't tell the full story. What makes this development more interesting is the timing. This rebound comes alongside recent network upgrades, most notably the completion of Protocol 22 and the acceleration of Protocol 23. These upgrades are not just background developments, they are foundational improvements that strengthen the network's ability to support real-world applications. Protocol 22 enhances security stability and compatibility. In simple terms, it prepares the network for more complex usage, especially when it comes to smart contracts. And smart contracts are key, because once a network can reliably support them, it opens the door to an entirely new layer of functionality: decentralized apps, financial tools, digital services, and much more. Now, with Protocol 23 being accelerated, the timeline toward that reality is getting shorter. This creates a powerful narrative. On one side, you have improving fundamentals, stronger infrastructure, clearer direction, and faster development cycles. On the other side, you have market reaction, price movement, increased attention, and growing interest. When these two align, that's somewhere in things start to get interesting. It suggests that the market is not just reacting randomly, but potentially responding to real progress. Of course, it's important to stay realistic. Short-term price movements can be volatile. Market caps can fluctuate, and momentum doesn't always move in a straight line. But what matters more is the underlying trend. Is the network improving? Is development accelerating? Is utility becoming more real? Right now, the answer to those questions appears to be yes. And that's what makes this moment worth paying attention to. Because if Pi continues to strengthen its infrastructure while expanding toward real DApp utility, then moves like this could represent more than just short-term spikes. They could be early signals of a larger shift. For the community, this is also a key phase. Developers are watching closely, builders are evaluating opportunities, and users are starting to look beyond potential and toward actual use cases. That transition from expectation to utility is where real value is created. So while headlines focus on the $2 billion milestone, the bigger story may be what's happening beneath the surface. A network that is evolving, a roadmap that is accelerating, and an ecosystem that is gradually moving closer to real-world application. We're still early in that journey, but the direction is becoming clearer, and momentum, both technical and fundamental, is starting to align. If you want to stay updated on everything happening in the Pi ecosystem, make sure to subscribe to Pi News Media, because this is just the beginning, and we're rebuilding forward.